Hi, welcome to Crochet Jewel channel. I'm going to share with you how to make this cute crochet star and moon keychain. I made it with a G hook. If you want this bigger or smaller, just go up or down on the hook size. If you're a beginner, there's a beginner's playlist down below, and also if this is too fast, you can place it in slow motion. There's links down below for that as well. The pattern is down below too. Okay, so let's get started. To get started for the moon, in the magic ring, you're going to work 10 single crochet. If this is your first time doing the magic ring, there's a link on how to do that below, but you can just wrap your yarn around your fingers. And then I just grab my hook, grab that yarn, pull it through, do a yarn over for a chain 1, and then work your 10 single crochet in the magic ring. So I insert my hook, grab that yarn, then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Continue on until you have 10 altogether. Then you're going to pull it close and slip stitch in the first stitch. Then you're going to chain 1 and then work 2 single crochet in each stitch around for a total of 20. So this stitch gets 2 single crochet, then 2 single crochet in the next stitch. Work 2 single crochet until you get back to the beginning. Now you just need to slip stitch. You can chain 1, work 2 single crochet in each stitch around. So you already had your 20, this will be 40. Make sure you have all of your stitches until you get back to the beginning. So 2 stitches in each stitch until you get back to the beginning. Okay, so now you're going to slip stitch and you're going to fold this. This is going to create the half moon. And in this back loop and this front loop, you're going to yarn over and pull through for a slip stitch, and then pull through again, and then just keep working that until you get to the other side. You can stuff it now and finish up doing your slip stitches. Then you're going to yarn over, pull through, and fasten off. Now when you're finished, you're going to take your yarn and your yarn needle and weave in your ends 2 to 3 times to secure this. Okay, make 2 stars. You're going to, in the magic ring, grab the yarn, then chain 1, then work 10 double crochet in the ring. So yarn over, insert your hook, grab that yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Repeat for 9 more. Okay, and now you're going to slip stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Then in the next stitch, work 2 double crochet. So yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. Then work a treble crochets, yarn over your hook twice, insert your hook, grab that yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, then yarn over, pull through 2, then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Chain 2, treble crochet again, double crochet twice in the same stitch, single crochet in the next stitch. So there's this stitch, go into the next stitch, and then you're just going to repeat, which is 2 double crochet into the next stitch. Then treble crochet, chain 2, treble crochet, and then 2 double crochet. And then single crochet in the next stitch, and then just repeat. You'll have 5 points all together. So in the next stitch, work your 2 double crochet, then treble crochet, then chain 2, then treble crochet again, then work 2 double crochet, then single crochet in the next stitch, and then repeat that right here. You're going to work a point of the double crochet twice, treble, chain 2, treble, and then 2 double crochet, then single crochet, and then repeat right here until you get back to the beginning. Okay, and then you're going to slip stitch and then pull through, and you can make a long enough tail to attach your other star that you're going to make, because you're going to want to sew these together. You can stuff it and then make it into a keychain. You can go up or down on this hook size to make this bigger or smaller, depending on how you would like it. Take your tail that you had from your other star, take your 2 stars together. You can stuff this once you get towards the end. Go into the stitches of the 1 star, go into the next stitches of the other star. So you have the 2 here and the 2 here, yarn over and pull through. And then just keep doing that until you get all the way around the star. Keep doing that. Slip stitch all the way around until you get back to the beginning, so you can close this. And you can stuff it now before you close it, and just go through and match up your ends to close this with your slip stitches. And then you can pull through and cut your yarn. Okay, you just weave in your ends just like you did the moon, and go to the top. And if your keychain looks like this, you can just slip it through, or you can take your pliers and open it and just attach it to some yarn, and then you can take your pliers and close it. Or you can just do like a chain 3 and do a loop there and attach it there. It's however you'd like to do it for this keychain. It's pretty easy to do, just opening it and then attaching it. I hope you enjoyed this crochet star and moon tutorial for a keychain. The pattern is down below. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you for watching.